Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am David. Today is a special day. We're going to talk about something we all know. We're going to talk about going to school. Do you remember your first day of school? Or maybe you go to school right now. It is a place for learning. It is a place for friends. In this lesson, we will go on a journey. We will walk to school. We will sit in the classroom and we will learn new things together. Before we start, let me tell you something important. Learning English is like learning any subject in school. You need to practice a little every day. You do not need to study for many hours. Just 10 or 15 minutes each day is enough. That is why you are here. That is why I make these videos for you. Today, we will practice listening and speaking. I will speak slowly. You can listen and repeat after me. Do not worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are good. Mistakes help us learn. Even native English speakers make mistakes every day. So relax your face. Relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath in and out. You are safe here. You're doing great just by trying. Are you ready? Let's begin. The sun is up. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. Leo wakes up. He hears his alarm clock. Leo stretches his arms. He moves his fingers. He moves his toes. He yawns a big yawn. And he gets out of bed. He puts on his clean shirt and his blue pants. He puts on his socks and his shoes. His shoes are black and comfortable. He ties his shoelaces carefully. One loop, then the other loop. Pull tight. Perfect. Now Leo goes to the bathroom. He washes his face with cold water. The cold water wakes him up. He brushes his teeth. He uses a green toothbrush and white toothpaste. His teeth feel clean and smooth. He looks in the mirror. He says to himself, "Good morning, Leo. Today will be a good day." Speaking to yourself is a great way to practice English. You can try it too. Leo goes to the kitchen. He eats breakfast. He eats a slice of bread and drinks a glass of milk. The bread is soft. The milk is cold. It is a good, simple breakfast. His mom comes into the kitchen. She says, "Did you sleep well, Leo?" Leo says, "Yes, Mom. I slept very well." She smiles and gives him an apple for later. Leo puts the apple in his backpack. He picks up his backpack. It is heavy, but he is happy. He has his books inside. He has his notebook. He has his pen and his pencil. He also has a small ruler and a pink eraser. He checks his backpack one more time. Everything is there. He is ready. Leo walks out the door. The air is fresh. The sky is blue. There are few white clouds. The sun feels warm on his face. He walks to the bus stop. The bus stop is next to a big tree. He sees his friend Maya. Maya is wearing a yellow dress and a red backpack. Maya smiles and says, "Good morning, Leo." Leo says, "Good morning, Maya." They talk about their homework. They talk about the math class today. Leo says, "I did not understand the last question." Maya says, "I can help you." It is easy. Leo feels happy. Friends help each other. Other children arrive at the bus stop. There is a boy with a blue hat. There is a girl carrying a guitar. Everyone is waiting. Everyone is excited for the school day. The bus arrives. The bus is big and yellow. It has 6 big wheels. The door opens with a squeak. They get on the bus. They sit near the window. Leo looks outside. He sees the trees. He sees the houses. He sees the park. The city is waking up. A dog runs in a yard. A woman waters her flowers. A man rides a bicycle to work. Leo loves watching the world outside the bus window. Maya shows Leo a picture she drew. It is a picture of a cat sitting on a chair. Leo says, "That is a beautiful cat." Maya says, "Thank you. I want to be an artist when I grow up." Leo says, "You will be a great artist." They both smile. They arrive at school. The school is a big red building. There are many windows. There's a flag on top. The flag is red, white, and blue. Many children are here. Some children are playing ball. Some are talking. Some are reading books under a tree. Some are eating a snack before class begins. Leo walks to his classroom. His classroom is on the second floor. He walks up the stairs. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps. He counts the steps. There are 20 steps. He opens the door. He sees the desks and chairs. He sees the big board on the wall. He sees a map of the world. He sees a clock. The clock says 8:15. He sits at his desk. His desk is near the window. He likes looking outside when he thinks. He puts his backpack on the floor next to his chair. He takes out his notebook and his pencil. His teacher, Mrs. Miller, walks in. Mrs. Miller has kind eyes and glasses. She is wearing a green sweater. She says, "Hello, everyone." The students say, "Hello, Mrs. Miller." She says, "Let us start with a question. What did you eat for breakfast today?" One student says eggs. Another student says pancakes. Leo raises his hand and says, "Bread and milk." Mrs. Miller smiles. "Good," she says. "Breakfast gives us energy to learn." It is time to learn. Leo opens his notebook. He writes the date at the top of the page. September 15th. He listens to the teacher. Today they're learning about animals. Mrs. Miller shows pictures of a lion, an elephant, and a giraffe. Leo writes the names in his notebook. He learns new words. He learns about the world. He loves to learn. School is not just for books. School is for growing. School is for making friends. School is for asking questions. Leo raises his hand and asks, "Where do giraffes live?" Mrs. Miller says, "Giraffes live in Africa. They eat leaves from tall trees." Leo writes that down too. He feels proud. When the bell rings, it is time for lunch. Leo closes his notebook. He puts his pencil away. He walks to the lunchroom with Maya. The lunchroom is big and noisy. Many children are sitting at long tables. They are eating and talking and laughing. Leo and Maya find 2 empty chairs. They sit down. Leo opens his backpack. He takes out the apple his mom gave him. He also has a cheese sandwich and a small box of juice. Maya has a yogurt and some crackers. They eat lunch together. They share the apple. Leo cuts it in half with his hands. 1/2 for Maya, 1/2 for Leo. They laugh about a funny story from class. A boy dropped his pencil, and it rolled all the way to the front of the room. Everyone laughed, including Mrs. Miller. After lunch, they go outside to the playground. Leo plays on swings. He pumps his legs back and forth, higher and higher. The wind blows on his face. Maya plays on the slide. She goes down fast. They have so much fun. The playground is a place to run and play and rest your brain. The afternoon goes by fast. They have reading class. Leo reads a short story about little fish. Then they have drawing class. Leo draws a picture of his family. He draws his mom, his dad, and himself. He colors the sun yellow and the grass green. Before he knows it, the school day is over. The final bell rings. Leo packs his bag carefully. He puts his notebook inside. He puts his pencil and pen inside. He puts his empty juice box in the trash. He walks to the bus. He waves goodbye to Mrs. Miller. She waves back. He gets on the bus. He sits down. He is tired, but he is happy. He learned something new today. He helped his friend. He asked a question. He drew a picture. It was a good day. The bus drives home. Leo looks out the window and smiles. Now let's practice. I will say a short sentence. You listen, then you repeat. Try to copy my voice. Copy my rhythm. Copy my pauses. Do not rush. Take your time. Leo wakes up. He gets out of bed. He washes his face. He brushes his teeth. He has a friend. The bus is yellow. He arrives at school. He sits at his desk. Leo opens his notebook. He learns new words. He is happy. Now, let's listen to these key parts again. A little faster. Just listen. Do not repeat. Close your eyes if you want. Just let the words come into your ears. Leo wakes up at 7 a.m. He washes his face and brushes his teeth. He puts on his clothes, eats a simple breakfast, and grabs his heavy backpack. He walks to the bus stop and meets his friend Maya. They talk about their homework and their day. The big yellow bus takes them to the big red school. Leo sits at his desk, listens to Mrs. Miller, and works hard. He raises his hand and asks questions. He loves to learn new things. At lunch, he eats with Maya. They share an apple and laugh. After lunch, Leo plays on the swings. He draws a picture of his family. Then the school day ends. Leo packs his bag and goes home. He is tired, but he is happy. It was a good day at school. Did you hear how the words flow together? That is natural English. Do not worry if it sounds fast now. One day, very soon, it will sound normal to you. Your brain is learning every single day. You did a wonderful job today. You listened. You practiced. You repeated. You are getting better every single day. Remember, learning a language is like going to school. You do a little bit every day, and soon you will know so much. Thank you for spending time with me, David, here on Speak Easy English. If you like this lesson, please click the like button. It helps other students find this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next story. And please share this with a friend who is also learning English. What is your favorite subject at school? Math? History? Art? Tell me in the comments below. I love reading your stories. Keep practicing. Keep smiling. See you next time.